Lastly, every machine is a little different, so always check your sewing machine manual for the best guidance. Before you begin, the bobbin needs to be wound with thread and inserted into the sewing machine, and the top of the sewing machine needs to be threaded. If you're unsure how to do this, please see part 1, 2 and 3 linked in the description below for step-by-step instructions. Turn off or unplug your sewing machine to avoid any injury. Pull the presser foot lever upwards to raise the presser foot. Ignore this step if it's already in position. Using your left hand, gently hold the thread that's coming from the needle. Don't pull it tight, just keep a light grip on it. With your right hand, slowly turn the hand wheel towards you. As the needle goes down and comes back up, you'll start to see the top thread wrap around the bobbin thread underneath the throat plate. Keep turning the hand wheel until the take-up lever reaches its highest position. You should now see a small loop of bobbin thread appear through the throat plate. Stop turning the hand wheel. Using closed embroidery scissors, gently pull up the loop until the end of the bobbin thread comes up. Pull about 15 centimeters or 6 inches of both threads towards the back of the machine and tuck them neatly under the presser foot. Make sure both the needle thread and the bobbin thread are sitting between the presser foot and the throat plate. Your machine is now ready to sew. For more sewing Bexpertise, I've linked helpful videos in the description below. Please don't forget to subscribe, and as always, happy sewing!